guys? So we are here at Cars and Chronos, here with Mike. Drove down, great show so far.
Yeah, man, first car show, right?
First car show, man. Yeah, loving
it.
it. I mean, there's certain cars that I want to see that I didn't see today. I want to see some Koenigsegg's, I want to see some Paginis. What else do I want to see? I'd love to see a Saleen S7. So some that you don't see every day, you know, because we see these cars all the time.
Yeah, man.
Oh, obviously, for the first time I've seen the Ferrari. I haven't seen those before.
I haven't seen too many of them. It's cool to see two of them together. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, there's some that I want to see. So I'm going to be going to these frequently.
I think the best part is driving out and driving back.
Yeah.
All right, I want to get back.
As I was driving, at one point, I think you even saw, like, I was driving and then I just see you cruise by. I was like, oh yeah, cool. It's just, it's nice, you know.
Fun,
It's real nice.
Yeah.
So
we'll do more cruising, man. We'll go up to
100%. I'm down. I'm down.
Get that thing out of the street. Yeah.
Wicked. Nice to friggin' see all the cars, man. Like, if you're a car enthusiast, this place is like heaven for you. Yeah, do you know what I really want to see that you don't see often? It's the Paginis. So I want to see a Pagani Zonda. I want to see a Pagani. How'd you say it? It begins with H, Hayuru or something like that. I know. Yeah, I want to see those. You don't see those every day. You know, I don't know if I've seen a Ferrari before, so that's the first time I've seen one of those. But yeah, you don't see Paginis, you know. So, and maybe a Bugatti as well. I mean, I've seen a few, but it'd be nice to see a Bugatti Super Sport. You know,
that was a Cobra.
That was a Cobra. That's my favorite car. Cobra. That's what I would have seen.
They'll probably come in.
Yeah, hopefully.
Just flex a little.
Yeah. That Ferrari's behind the barriers, and that's the one everyone wants to see.
That's the line.
Shit, man, that looks gorgeous, man. That just looks gorgeous.
Oh, that unit.
You know when I went to get my car, they had one of these in the car park, and I was like, oh my days, did I make the wrong decision? You know what I mean? It's just too dope, man. I like them. I mean, my favourite Ferrari, I think, will have to be the 458. No, sorry, not 458. Sorry, the LaFerrari. I actually considered getting the 458 or the 488, but you know, for me, I don't know. Ferraris are nice, but it's how can I put it? There's nothing unique about it with the current competition. You know, so
They're a little dated right now.
Yeah. You know, so like with the competition, obviously you've got the Lamborghinis, you've got the McLarens, etc. It's just not that like there's another 458. Yeah, a dime a dozen. You know? Like a dime a dozen. There's so many everywhere. Same thing with the Lambos. So like right now, when I drive the McLaren, when people see that, they're like, "Oh, what is that?" You know, so people don't still even know what it is, and some people only know one McLaren, the P1, so they assume it's a P1. You know, so. But yeah, no, for me, McLaren's doing it for me right now. I know that's not standard. Look at the watercolor buttons. That's cool, man. You see how I drive my car every day? You know I drive it. I don't think you could drive an Aventador every day. It's not practical, man.
I've been in one.
So regular driving, like everything would be a chore. Just going to the store to get something, you know. For me, hopping in the 570, it's a breeze. It's just, you know, other than the only issues I have is opening the doors with something beside me, you know. But other than that, it's a breeze. But I don't think I could drive this every day, you know. But it's dope, though. It is dope.
Yeah, how do you feel like your visibility is like after kind of driving style? Like when you're backing up or like?
I'm fine. Like everything. Okay, I'll tell you my only issue with like backing up. The camera has a delay, so where I'm pretty nimble. I'm quite fast, so I'll want to reverse into a space quite quickly. I'll kick reverse, and you have to wait for the camera for like a second or two, and that is kind of jarring, you know. because you want it on straight away, you know. But other than that, it's visibility is fine. I don't really have any issues parking, you know. And it's quite small, man, so it's easy. Like I fit in most spaces, even the compact spaces I can just squeeze in, you know. And you definitely can't do that in an Aventador, though, man. Even in a normal space, you're probably going to be sticking out.
Like not black.
See, I was gonna be bored. Do you know what? Honestly speaking, I'll probably get what Mike's got. So the green and black. Like, so we'll show them on camera. But yeah, the green and black army color. I love that, you know. So, or I might get matte grey. Matte grey, yeah. I don't like loud colors, although that looks amazing. It wouldn't be cool for me, but to look at, it's beautiful, you know. Right, but yeah, I couldn't drive a car that's yellow, bright green, not every day, you know. Used to be one of my favorite cars, the SL65, man. Beautiful.
Like, what do you think the first
Yeah, exhaust is a must. Exhaust is a must. Mike's car, like he's got an exhaust on his, and if you hear it, like it's violent. Like just what he was just talking about when we arrived, it's like a mad crackle, you know. And at first I thought that there wasn't a big difference. There really is, man. There really is, you know. So that's one thing I'm definitely gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna tune it, but you know, I'm definitely gonna get the exhaust, 100%. Like that sound, that's what I love, the sound, man. You know, and that's why, you know, when people say to you, oh, why don't you get like a Tesla or something like that? Because it's faster. It's not about just speed. It's about the sound of the engine, the sound of the exhaust. You know, those things are important, man. Just as important. You know.
No, you're not gonna.
You're not even gonna know it's
Maybe a tire squeak.
Yeah. Oh. Pretty cool to be the only person here with a 570 GT. That's how unique the car is. There's Lamborghini SBs, there's Hurricanes, 458s, 488s, F12s, LaFerraris, etc. But only one 570 GT. That's what I mean when I say that it's unique and you don't see it often. I mean, we're at a car meet and there's only one. That shows you how unique it is, and that's why people don't know what it is, you know?
If you had to buy like one luxury car, like that's gonna be like a Rolls Royce or like a Bentley. Like that
Okay.
was, like, you know, like if you had a driver almost, like what type of car would you want to like be sitting in all the time?
This is gonna sound funny, but I don't think it would be. If I had a driver, I wouldn't want to be in a Rolls. I don't think. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable getting out of a Rolls everywhere. Yeah, it'd probably be a Mercedes.
Like, what's your opinion, like the smoothest ride? Like, you know what I mean? Like, what do you?
I mean, I've been a passenger in like a 750, BMW 750, and a Audi A8, which were just clean, like so much space in the back, technology, and just comfortable, you know. I mean, obviously, in a Rolls, it would probably be even better, but I just don't know. Yeah, it's a bit too flashy to be stepping out of that, you know. So, yeah, I'd probably be driven around in like an A8, like one of these Ferraris or one of these supercars. You could get out, go about your business, and people would admire the car. Stepping out of like a Rolls as a passenger, they know it's a Rolls. They're gonna now look, who are you? They want to know, are you a celebrity? What are you famous for? That's the difference. I think that's the difference. And that for me would be frustrating.